Halika.
Honorary Mayor.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you, Mayor, for
Oh, anytime,
saying us.
anytime. Oh.
Anyway, Mayor, I'd like to introduce si Ms. Uwana. He's from our new partner, SMFL.
New farmer?
Partner.
New partner.
Kasi si SMFL will be investing in RCBCBC.
Talaga.
30% shares now in RCBCBC.
Hmm.
We're introducing him to our clients also. And
Nihonjin. Are you Japanese? Ohayo gozaimasu.
si Javi is our director, one of our directors. And si Luigi is the grandson of Mrs. Yuchekuni.
Ellen.
Yes.
Love na love ko yung lola mo. Ano yun eh. Isa sa mga gusto kong dragon lady ng Pilipinas. Very straightforward. In fact, your lola donated the development of Riverside on the Escolta Park, tapat ng post office. During my first term, yung dating natutulugan doon ng kung ano lang, ang papanghe, ginawang park yun. Name after the Yuchenko, we name it Yuchenko Park. Sa Escolta side pa pare. Yung pagbaba ng Jones Bridge kanan, going to Binondo.
Yes.
Park yun, malinis yun. Maayos.
Javi is also Yucheko, by the way.
My mother goes, used to work there sa Binondo din.
Talaga?
Oo, si Miss Yvonne. So, siya
Yan ang
madalas
sinasabi ko
monitor.
lagi. Sabi ko lagi. Kaya yung ano namin ngayon, yung tourism approach sa Manila, My Manila. Because, I mean, most, if not all, has a story to tell about Manila.
Yes.
Like you, working in Binondo, in downtown.
Yes, my mother is always there before. Yeah.
Oh, imagine mo yun. So one way or another, during your younger years, although you're still young, but you have experience about Manila. Manila is for everyone. It's something that where Filipinos belong. Parang gano'n ang there's always a story.
Mayor, we wanted to partner with you. We want to be part of yung bamboo project.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Nagustuhan niyo ba? Kasi talagang gusto kong mangalap ng bamboo. Una, better carbon absorption, which is in a highly urbanized setting, like Manila, and any other part of the world. Bamboo is being encouraged to be planted around, and high absorption of water. That may help also at some level. Plus maliwalas. Sturdy, less maintenance. The more it grows, the better. That's how bamboo it is.
I was asking us, Ernest, bakit bamboo? Why not other trees? So that explains it actually.
Yes.
And,
Mas ano yun mas konti ang maintenance.
Kasi si RCBCBC, that's one of tree planting has been one of our sustainability projects. And last year nasa Lamesa Dam kami. And when we found out about your 100,000 bamboo projects,
Yun ang target namin.
so we said, we want to be part of that.
Oh, thank you. Any help will do.
First. And we will also promote this to the other companies within the industry.
The YGC group. How's our school here?
Apua.
Makuha natin.
They just signed, I don't know if you heard about it recently. They have a tie-up with Arizona State University.
Congrats.
So they'll be able to let the students here, parang magkakadual, pwede sila mag-dual degree. So you can study in Mapua and at the same time enroll in Arizona State. And at the end of your studies, you can parang dual degree. So I think the official launch was just last week. Last week. So that's very exciting for them.
I think also they will be offering the first AI engineering course
Good.
in the Philippines.
Good. Kasi may mga school for AI just to elevate the skill set of existing workforce, no? At least prime up lang yung sweldo. If you are AI knowledgeable person in the workplace. But in this case, it's now a course.
Yes.
Oh, good yun, no?
So, kasi in RCBC Group, we're one of the leading na rin, in terms of digital digital banking. RCBC, has been there even before the pandemic. We've been promoting digital. No? So, ano na kami dyan? Pag in place na kami dyan.
So, Mr. Misunori,
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Mr. Wada, so you're investing with the RCBC
Yes, indeed, yes.
as RCBC or the YGC
RCBC leasing.
leasing.
The,
You're in good hands. These people are been in the country. They started almost here in Manila.
Yes, yes, yes.
When you cross the bridge, you see their branch on the right side before arriving to the church. A very decent family, respected. I, for one, one of many, respect the Yuchenko family being an honest partner, business partner. Very. I'm not using the others banks. You're in good hands, but you're really in good hands.
we are partners for generation.
Oh, pangilang ka na? Di pangatlo ka. Third generation, most likely. Fourth. Did you know, I think your great-grandfather designed post office?
That's the great pastor.
Oh, see? I told you. See?
Great na po yun.
Oh, see? Oh, lolo sa tuhod ba yan? Oh,
Parang ganun nga po.
parang ganun. Yeah, until now, it's still standing, even during the liberation. Yeah, it was burned down, but still there. Now, it was burned a few years ago, still there. I think they're going to do something about it, the national government. But something that, a story to tell with your friends, and something that you can be proud of, because your ancestors built something that lasts and continue to be utilized by the present generation. Yeah. So I told you, Mr. Wada.
You're in the best hands. Not just
Ichiban. Ichiban.
Number one.
We're very much excited for this new collaboration and just the market itself. But then, as you mentioned, there's it's high potential of the growth together, and that we're, as I said, very much looking forward to collaboration.
Ellen is a very good person. Straightforward. No nonsense. It's very seldom for women like Tessie on the other side, the other family. It's very seldom for this culture, the Filipino-Chinese culture, to manage women managing things. But she did a good job. She really did a good job. And very proud of her. And as mayor of Manila, of course, I'm always proud when somebody from Manila made it. Because as I've been saying to a lot of people, and in fact, about 10 days ago, during the celebration of the Chinese New Year, I've been telling everyone, especially our visitor from mainland China, Manila has a great opportunity to offer. In Manila, we don't produce anything, but we distribute everything. See? From raw material to finished product. And also, it's a great market. About 2 million nighttime population and 3 million daytime population. It's really a great market. And also, In this case of City of Manila, I can only speak for the city. I put back the policy of the city during my first term with regard to land development, particularly in the zoning board, or what you call FAR, which I think you are very familiar because you're in the leasing business. We liberalized the policy as part of our ease of doing business and creating more opportunity to the business sector to, come up with a better design, better building, and if you can reach the heaven, then so be it.
Speaking of which, Mayor, congratulations, by the way. Ernest showed us your projects, schools, condominiums. Congratulations. Those are amazing projects. You wouldn't think that those are schools or even, at par with private projects.
Mas mayaman ng gobyerno. Talaga lang sisinupin mo lang. Kayo sa bangko, sa leasing, and all other businesses, you need to be good, very, very good in your industry or field of undertaking. We in the government, on December 31, we're just going to do this, whether you like it or not, because there are only two certain things in this world, debt and taxes. Yeah, exactly. And the other challenge is how to use it efficiently. Your city government, as the capital of the country, under our watch, will continue to invest in MBN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. That's why, for us to achieve the cheapest program, which is we don't spend anything by creating jobs. But to create jobs, there must be an opportunity for the business to start. So that's why we level the playing field. The sauce for the gander will be the sauce for the goose. If we give ease for RCBC, we do that for Metrobank, BDO, if it is in the same industry. The same thing with real property development. Same rules. If we give ease to one, we give ease to everyone. It's a universal policy of the city. Particularly, one of the major headache of land development is FAR. We give you the problem that only us can solve. That's a problem of government.
Yes.
That's why from 21 items, 17 items becomes, from 21 items to 15. If you fail, there is what you call the exemption. There is about 15 items, now it's 5. Other than that, you are free to, do and invest in the city. Because putting that in place, there is already a result of that policy of mine during my first term. Okay. When I liberalized this thing, ease of doing business, and so on and so forth, on our first year, from a regular 30-40 billion worth of infrastructure development or real estate development in the city, before I became mayor, our first year, 123 billion. And during the height of the pandemic, we approved 170 billion at the height of pandemic for land development. That's why you can see the skyline changes in less than 5 years. The skyline in Binondo side, in the San Nicolas area. And that will generate more income for the city. From a regular 1,000 square meter horizontal land or horizontal building at 1-2 floors, tax base of 3,000. If we build 30-story there, it's going to be 3 hectares of windfall, taxable space without raising taxes. We are practicing the principle of delayed gratification. Let them develop, let them make money, create jobs and opportunity, then naturally on December 31, we're just in the doorstep. Everyone pays their dues.
So, sa inyo, Mayor, parang ano, sa dami nung ano, parang CFO na din po kayo actually. Hindi lang Mayor, CFO.
You know,
Maraming pera talaga.
It's very important at some level. Well, thanks to my professor, I started in government high school finish. The age of 23. High school finish. It's not because of I don't want to go to school. It's just that I don't know if you know my background. Used to be scavenger,
Yeah, we told
collecting garbage, literally. But I am the poor person who eats Jollibee in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. I always eat Chicken Joy. The leftovers from the garbage bin. But when I became part of the government, I saw the demand for academic background. While I'm ahead of practical experience in poverty, in a challenging community, living in a challenging and growing up in a challenging community, ahead of everyone, of knowledge on how to deal with these things. But I am lacking of academic background. And I was being bullied because I'm high school finish. I went back to school, tried to acquire some. And these are the things that I have learned. That's why I'm always grateful with my professor. In banking, some finance, some economic, a little of everything. And get the best people to surround me. Hire them, immaterial of their political beliefs. As long as their asset can be asset of the government, so be it. I can work with anybody. At the end of the day, Mr. Huwada, we owe it to the people. At the end of the day, we owe it to them. That's why I can speak English for 5 minutes straight. After that, finish na. Finish or not finish, you pass your paper.
Mayor, speaking of education, Mayor, one of the subsidiary ng RCBC is RCBC Rental. And we do rental of laptops, computers.
Talaga?
Oh, so maybe we could also, partner with you.
Oh.
For yung mga schools that you're constructing.
Usually, magkano ang rent ng isang laptop?
Depends po sa specification.
Alam ba, pang kolehiyo, let's just say, just for the sake of conversation, based on your existing experience.
Ano yan? Hindi ko lang sure yung exacto. Ang hirap magbigay ng quotation, but
May 500 pesos a month or 1,000?
mga more pa siguro.
Mga more.
Kasi 3 years lang ang term ng laptop. Depende.
Okay.
Actually, laptops na pinaparenta kasi namin, ang specs nun, mga around 70 to 80,000.
Wow.
Yung specs
So,
lang.
if it's
Magandang laptop.
Kung wala, ano yun, mas
first schooling naman.
siguro maliit lang yung pag-schooling. So, we can make a-
Schooling,
Siguro
schooling.
ano lang yan, mga 20,000 lang siguro yan per unit, 20 to 30,000.
So, maybe, might work. Okay.
O baka mas lesser pa nga yan sa...
Oo.
Kasi ang maganda doon, if kunyari due for replacement na siya, you can just return it back to us.
Kasi list lang naman yung list eh.
Then,
Pag may sira, ano lang yun?
Oo.
Kasi it will be highly impractical for you not the for laptop not to be used because there is no business out of it.
That's something that we can very much want to partner with you.
Mga brand yan na IBM, Lenovo, wala na palang IBM. No? Ang IBM, retired their laptop business. No? Server type na sila. Doon na sila sa big data business. Lenovo na ang brand nila. Lenovo, Samsung, ano pa ba mga sa Japan, Hewlett, Acer, HP.
May Huawei pa.
May Huawei na.
Mga bago na ngayon, mga Huawei na.
Wow.
Ano na.
And these are solid state laptop.
Actually, the laptops depends on your specs. Kayo yung masusunod sa specs ng laptops.
O, kasi kung schooling, kailangan solid state. Because they bring it in and out of the... when it's solid state, it's safer for the moving parts. Lesser moving parts. Sige, why not? I'll hear it out.
Yeah, we'll give you a proposal.
Mag-propose ka.
Yeah, we'll give you a proposal.
Marami akong mahihirap na estudyante ng UDM and PLM.
PLM.
UDM and PLM. Sometimes they, hirap talaga sila sa buhay. Kami naman, fiscally challenged kami. Kaya, financial engineering para to survive, and very efficient in expenditures. Kanina nga, naggawa na ako ng executive order in line with possibility of oil price hike, oil being halted with regard to supply, because the demand will not change. But the supply, I think any economics student would agree with me. Naturally, it's gonna push upward.
Just today, sir, I think 3 pesos na yata.
3 pesos na.
Oh my God! I thought it's 1 peso and 20 centavos.
No, I mean, sorry, 3. I think di ba medyo tumaas na eh.
Tumaas, but for tomorrow, they will implement 1.6 muna.
No, sorry.
Kasi we have a 15-day
Pero next week kaya tayo.
supply line. So the effects of it will be felt in the coming weeks. That's why ngayon palaang ay pinipilit ko ng kumbinsihin yung lahat ng mga ahensya. Kami man lang sa pamahalaan. Of course, nanawagan din naman ako sa taong bayan, sa mga negosyante, na to create some formula on how to efficiently use vehicles. Parang shared na. But sa amin, on our end, within our control, local government, medyo naggawa na ako ng executive order kanina para properly guided. I have 50 plus agencies, almost 20,000 employees. Just imagine. Inantabayanan ko lang kung ano magiging guide ni President Marcos as being a president, because they're having a meeting with DOE, the Department of Energy. Other than that, hopefully we survive. Kasi talagang chaos. Gulo create instability. Talagang...
Weekend lang yun. Pag-isip mo ng weekday.
Pag-isip mo ng Sunday, nag-iba na yung mundo.
Kung kasi mas kanina sana, pati yung mga BYO natin.
Oo.
Kahit ang ulo natin, kwento ko na rin.
Pero wala namang makakaresolve kundi kami na rin. Ginusto namin to eh. Wala, touch move ka na eh. Pero may awa ang Diyos. But when I assume nag-guide ako ng CFA, buksan lahat yung datos namin. In July, we found out that the only way with the approach that we can offer can cure the city in the next 4-5 years to have it balanced. But last December 31, nanumbalik yung tiwala ng negosyante at taxpayer, we cut it into 3 years. Then we introduced another measure, different from last 6 months of 2025. Hopefully, in the next 6 months, we'll see the effects of it. And our partners bank, Land Bank and DBP, who extended their fiscal capacity to the city of Manila, especially during the height of pandemic, we made some arrangement, and we've reached an agreement wherein the city of Manila will enjoy at least about 178 million pesos a year of ease. Not really, but some tweak of
Interest rate.
numbers, and the board agrees, and we're very happy na we'll just see them at the end of the rainbow, other side of the rainbow, in a good day. But for the meantime, really trying to manage it.
I think naman with your leadership, Mayor, you know, yung first term mo is really
Niyawa ang Diyos. Doble ano lang ngayon, double handling kung tawagin. He did something, you thought itutuloy, then collapse. Then you're gonna do is you redo something, then you're gonna move. So you're doing two things.
para ka nag-reset.
O reset, exactly. Oh, tapos ulitin mo, then at the same manner you have to move forward inch by inch. And that's why. But I was like what our data shows, we grew by 106% year on year, apples to apples of January to February 10 business data. And we grew by 9% in terms of income at the end of 2025. Crime Solution also grew by 9%. The crime rate declined by double digit, negative 13%. So, things are, pero yun yung mga kwentong malalayo sa bituka. Iba pa yung katulad ng ginagawa natin, housing, hospital, yun yung mga malalapit sa tao. But what we're talking about is, these are how you manage administratively your city. Kasi at the end of the day, nandun ang buhay. Without it, all your dreams and aspiration will continue to be a dream and aspiration. The people doesn't need that. They need hope, they need aspiration and inspiration, but they also need results. And if I may borrow one of taipans of the country, when I had an afternoon with him, he said, results matter. We don't ask what transpired between point A to point B. A is the goal, B is the result.
Similar to Mrs. D.
Kaya nga kami, yung anong tawag dyan, insync kami ni Ma'am Helen.
Ganyan din si Ma'am. Result.
Very pragmatic, very practical. Results matter. Mr. Wada, thank you for trusting the country, investing in the country. And partly you're going to invest in Manila because one of the biggest chunk of business of RCBC is in Manila. So the least thing that I can do is to tell you, welcome to Manila.
Thank you, Mayor. Thank you.
If you need something in the future, don't hesitate. Here it's like, I think you saw a lot of people outside, no? Because my office is like flea market and karinderya. Kahit sino pwedeng pumasok.
Dino's Calendaria already.
That's how I try to make this office as a public office as much as I can. Try to be what you call me time by attending to documents and papers. The same manner, trying to deal with people who comes in our office. So, you're always welcome. Gambate. Good luck. Gambate is good luck. Parang wish you all the best.
Yes.
But may mas tamang grammar doon eh. Basta alam ko lang, Gambate. Thank you, pare.
Thank you.
Antabayan ako yung
Yes.
proposal mo. Tingnan natin. Why not?
Yes, yes.
Sige.
Thank you
Pwede
very
ba
much.
pa-picture sa inyo?
Picture talaga
Pare,
natin.
halika.
Picture kami.
Halika, Todits. Sorry this is a working table.
I was waiting for that yung